All right, our lesson part 3. So we're going to use this net. So we have our rectangular prism, and we're going to use our net here to find the surface area, meaning the surface, everything on the outside, the surface of it, the area of all that surface. So if we take a look here, this rectangle here, one of these surfaces, if we take a look, our area is going to be base times height. So our area of our rectangle, we have our base, which is 3, and then our height, which is 6. So we have 3 times 6, which equals 18. Now we're going to multiply it by 2 because of the fact that there's 2 of them. So we have 1 of them, 2 of them. So 18 times 2 is going to be 36. So our total is going to be 36. And then we're going to take a look at our other one. Let's do the yellow one. So base times height. Well, we have a base of 2, and then this height is going to be the same as this height, so it's 6. So we have 2 times 6, which equals 12. Again, we have 2 of those, so we're going to multiply by 2. So 12 times 2 is going to equal 24. So our answer is going to be 24 there for those two. Last one, base times height. We have 3 times the height, which is 2. So 3 times 2 is going to be 6. We do have 2 of them, so we're going to multiply by 2. 6 times 2 is going to, sorry, there was a fuzz there. 6 times 2 is going to be 12. So we're going to have 12 here. Now, we add all the totals up. In this purple column here, we add all these up, and that will then help us, that will give us the total for our surface area. So if I add them all up, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I get 72. So you'll put your answer over here. You'll get 72 centimeters squared. So that's going to be the whole surface area. So that's going to be the outside, kind of like a giant present. And that is it for our surface area. Great job.